And we're back. Hey, it's Bridges. I'm a chronically ill actress, model, musician in New York City, taking you through my journey of redoing my studio space. Last video, we learned that I want my space to be adaptable, easy to clean, more storage, and more open. Want to do all this, and we're aiming to do it for $2,000. Episode, we're making one of the biggest purchases for the room, which is the cabinets, which will take care of the storage piece and also kind of effectively take care of making it more open because stuff won't just be everywhere. Let's get into it and see how it goes. Gotta move it over.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. 146 and a half. 89 tall. 95 and a half. 19 inches to the window.
Here we have a lovely mock-up of what the cabinets will look like. So we decided to go with 5 cabinets. One will be completely for hair things. One will be for lighting and videography equipment. The next will be for music stuff. So that's going to be merch and also all of my cords and cables and all of that hoopla. Then we'll have one that's kind of miscellaneous that will have all of my items for a wellness group I host called Girl Get After It. It will have all of Pontus's things and just kind of like a catch-all cabinet. And then we have one extra miscellaneous cabinet to grow in. The total with the family price is just over $1,000. So that's like half of the budget on just the cabinets. But that's like most of the room anyway. So we signed up for the IKEA family, which is just literally like signing up for an email list type of thing. And it saved us like $400, even more, $420. Wait, so some things unavailable? All of these things are unavailable? Is it because of the delivery date that we chose? What delivery date did we pick?
It said available, but wow.
This is basically all of it.
5 minutes later.
Okay. So they're delivered tomorrow.
Tomorrow we're gonna get everything. I don't know what happened, but I'm not complaining. Our IKEA delivery really is coming tomorrow. And Evan wants to take the bed outside tonight so it can be picked up, and we have a limited window of when we can take things outside, and the window's winding down. And so I came in here to tell Pontus that her favorite bed is going to be gone now, and she's doing her favorite thing, which is lumping, which you can probably not even maybe tell where she is, but she's this lump right here. I have to get all of this bedding and stuff off so Evan can take the bed outside. And I feel, oh, she's stirring. She hears me talking about it. I feel really bad. Pawnee? Hi, Pawnee. Did you enjoy that? That's your last lump time. Here we go. She doesn't know what's about to happen, but it's gotta happen. It does, lump. I'm sorry.
Gonna be a lot of labor over the next couple days.
He's gonna take this down. There's Pontus very uncertain about what's about to happen. I have a show tonight, so I'm about to go work on my set for that. So I will report back once this is done. Or maybe just in the middle. I don't know. We'll see.